So hello guys, how are you? I hope all you are fine. And again, I am here to take a new episode and new content for you. And I'm sure you're gonna hit it and like it. I made 7 or 8 videos for you so you can understand and you improve your English speaking skill better. It's not really easy that you gonna one day will wake up and suddenly you gonna speak English properly and very well and just consistently and fluently. No, it won't happen like this. It will happen if you practice daily. If you are practicing daily and little bit, just slowly and slowly each and every word, and observe the thing, observe the world, and observe every shop, every packets of biscuit, every thing you carry from market, observe the people behavior and all the little thing that you are observe day to night. It will improve your English very well. So if you are really interested to speak proper English, so you should speak daily. At least give 1 hour. At least I recommend you at least give a 1 hour daily to speak English properly, so you can fluently speak English very well. So today I am here to take another video and another subject that I'm giving you, that you really should try must and used to. If you are trying must and you must and used to, then you won't face any problem, because you think you can see that India must win the World Cup. Here we can use that the last 7 or 8 videos that I made for you. I I just tried that you just speak English very well. I am not saying that you always whenever you speak you always observe, you always remember how present tense, past tense, and future tense work. Where this gonna work will use, where this verb plural single tense. It won't be work like that, and you suddenly after few of time you wanna get bored. So all I just wanted to that you speak just proper good English. So must used to, here is a very good example for you. So again, I'm India must win the World Cup. India must win the World Cup. इंडिया मस्ट चाहिए, इंडिया को वर्ल्ड कप जीतना चाहिए. इंडिया मस्ट विन द वर्ल्ड कप. मस्ट एक्सप्रेसेस ड्यूटी, तुम्हें ड्यूटी करनी ही चाहिए. मस्ट एक्सप्रेसेस ड्यूटी. और इट आई won't recommend you that must is also like should. No, it's not. must करना चाहिए. A soldier must fight for his country. A soldier must fight for his country. A soldier must fight for his country. एक सैनिक को अपने soldier must fight for, एक सैनिक को अपने देश के लिए लड़ना चाहिए. A soldier must fight for his country. He used to study till 10 p.m. उसे पढ़ना चाहिए 10 बजे तक. He studies till 10 p.m. and goes to bed. He studies till 10 p.m. and goes to bed. वह 10 बजे तक पढ़ता है और उसके बाद सोने चला जाता है. He used to come here. He used to come here. उसे यहाँ आना चाहिए. He used not to come here. उसे यहाँ नहीं आना चाहिए. Again I'm repeating you so you can understand how we gonna be use must and used to. Must and used to. India must win the World Cup. Must express duty. A soldier must fight for his country. He used to study till 10 p.m. He studies till 10 p.m. and goes to bed. He used to come here. He used not to come here. Again, I'm repeating must and used to. How gonna be used? India must win the World Cup. Must expresses duty. A soldier must fight for his country. He used to study till 10 p.m. He studies till 10 p.m. and goes to bed. He used to come here. He used not to come here. So again, so I hope you are all gonna use that how we gonna use this verb form, and of course you gonna understand a bit better. It's I I truly believe that if you are practice at least a 10 minute or 12, 15 minute daily, then you're gonna see a big miracle in after a few months. You're gonna because subconsciously your mind is attached to this language. So and also you're gonna feel very fresh and live in the every moment that your life. Of course, life is the very important thing. All you should do, thanks to God and not I just do God. No. I won't use this word. But you just should you believe yourself and at least give at least a 10 or 15 minutes so you can improve your skill better and very well. So again, I hope you are enjoy my session, and if you are like and subscribe to my channel, I'm must telling you that I will make a very great content for you. Thanks a lot. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.